Nancy from Brick Skull TV. So this is today this is a Spiner Blocks Ultra Core Spiner. This Spiner blocks the non-toxic. Okay, let's open it. And that's our building blocks, and that's good. Okay, I'm going to build airplane.
Okay, let's start.
Okay, let's start.
I'm going to cut.
I'll be cut this video. That's our airplane. That's our airplane. I'm going to pack.
That's all for today. Bye bye. And that's all for today. Please like this video. Bye bye. Kita mo.
For today and this video, and please like this. Bye bye, and see you guys next time. Bye.